guys, my name is Jen Wagner, and I just wanted to show you really quickly in this video how you can use the e-commerce GIF pack on top of images, not just by themselves. So it's a little bit trickier, but we're going to be doing this in Photoshop, and once you do it once, it's a pretty simple process. So we'll start with our image and the size that we want it to be in, and then we're going to go to our e-commerce pack folder. This is where all of our GIFs are. And instead of using the GIFs, we're actually going to use these videos. That's what they're here for. And all you're going to do is click and drag this into Photoshop. Position it where you want. And what's great about the way these are set up is that they're pure black and white images. So you can use the blending modes here on the right to set these to eliminate the background. So if you want white text, you're going to use screen to get rid of that black, or you can use Command I or image adjustments invert to invert the image, and then use multiply to get rid of the white if you want the text to be in black. So we'll move forward with this one. From here, you're going to go open your timeline. So you'll go to Window, Timeline, and then this is where you'll see your video. If it doesn't prompt you, well, it didn't prompt me this time. If it does prompt you, you're going to want to create a video animation, not a frame animation. And that's going to show up right here as a menu, and you can select the one that you want. So you'll want to create a video animation, and it'll open up this panel. Your image might be really long. This is the default for the GIF. So we're just gonna, if your image is long, shorten it to match the length of this video here. And now all we need to do is export. So we're gonna save this for web. So File, oops, where is it? I know the shortcut. Shoot, where is it? Some tutorial, huh? Okay, export, save for web. It is Shift Option Command S to save for web. It's one of those where I'm always using the shortcut and I never actually navigate to the menu. So we'll save for web. We're gonna have GIF selected here. That might not be the default one. It might be set to JPEG. So just set it to GIF. All of these settings are fine. Make sure it's small enough. If you're going to be using this for email, make sure it's small enough to work well for that. Generally, I think you'd probably want to be under the meg threshold. So we'll scale it down a little bit and see if that helps update it. Taking its sweet time. And that increased the size. That's interesting. All right, well, we're gonna just leave it as it is. So from here, you're just gonna click Save, and you will save it as you want, back in stock.gif. Save, these are your settings. It's going to export it. And then at that point, you have a fully functioning GIF that you can click and drag into your MailChimp, Flowdesk, whatever email platform you're using. And you can get to using it on top of images. So I hope that helped. I know I stumbled over a couple things. We're all still figuring it out, so hope that helps. But yeah.